are homemade paneer. So I'm going to show you all the homemade paneer, and I have just crumbled few. It is very soft actually, that's why it is like this. Very and so I'm going to make some dish out of it as a filling for our some wrap. So for that I'm taking this around around 25 grams of paneer. You can take more. Then this is pak choy. So I'm going to make pak choy. This is our home grown pak choy. Yeah, pak choy leaves, which I'm going to chop this into very finely. Then I'm using some onion greens and chop them finely, 2 green chilies and curry leaf. And we are not going to add any much masala to this, only pepper powder I will be adding and little bit of coriander powder. That's it. Okay, so now I will chop this fine and I will show you the next process. I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil for this, and I will add some cumin to this. Curry leaves, onions, greens, and pak choy. And we'll saute this nicely. So we'll saute this very nicely. So once this is nicely, so it doesn't take much time, we will add our paneer, and you can crumble them or you can keep it whole, and we will mix this nicely. Quick, easy vegetable. Add salt to taste. Turmeric powder and coriander powder. Little bit of pepper powder we will add. Next, pinch of pepper powder. And I have a black cherry tomato. You can use any tomato, so I am going to slice this and add on top. Yeah. Now we will mix. Okay. I will take it out separately because we need to make some white sauce. Okay. So we add this butter, and I take 1 tablespoon of flour. I take little bit more than 1. So 1 and little bit. That's it. Now we will fry this, and we have to add half cup of water to half cup of milk to this. On low flame, fry this nicely. And take half cup of milk. And it's nicely creamy, so we'll put off the gas, and we can add little bit of salt to this, as the butter was saltless, and little bit of pepper powder to this also. And to this we will add our vegetable, that is our paneer. What we need, we'll add this, how much we need. Mix this nicely and we'll give this. So this is our filling. And then we get cool. So this is my buttermilk. I will use this to make our dough. So I am taking 1 cup of this. 1 cup. Remaining I will keep aside for the next use. So in that same pan where we made our filling, in that only I am taking this 1 cup of buttermilk. You can take plain water, or you can take milk also, and this is 1 cup of flour. So this is for our dough, and we need to add butter in this. People who don't want to use butter, they can always use oil. 1 tablespoon of butter. This is unsalted butter, white makhan. I prefer that, which you get in Amul. Salt accordingly, because this is unsalted. If you are using now, it's nicely boiled, we will add a flour and just make it. When it's done, we'll put off our gas. Then on a clean surface, we'll bring this on this. And we'll knead this. Water, so I can knead it nice. Let's make veg rissois and mixed slurry. So it is veg, so no egg dipping. So we'll add water to this. Little bit of water to make a slurry. Then some breadcrumbs, then our veg filling, and then we will start doing our take some so we'll roll this as per how we need. Now let's cut this round. into our, just in this and breadcrumb. So like this only we will roll all. I kept my oil frying and now we will nicely coat this. And then we will fry this, okay? So now we will fry. Oil is hot. So we'll fry all this nicely for 2-3 minutes or till it is golden brown. So here I have flip-flopped it, but I want a brownish color still. So again I will turn and again I will fry. And here it is done.
And here it is, lovely, tasty veg rissois. Thank you.